It's not every day the red phone in my office rings, but when it does, it's usually big news. Theodore Braves here. I understand. I've been summoned back to the city. The new Skyway must nearly be finished.
Well, if it isn't my old friend, Teddy Braves.
Oh, hello, Director.
Where's the dog? I miss her.
I wasn't sure how long I'd be gone.
It's time to come home. Your city needs you.
I see.
Since you've been back, have you had a chance to look up?
Have I looked up? I'm sorry, Mum. What exactly am I looking for? Oh my, that cannot be Skyway.
You're right, Teddy. It's not. That is Thunder Run. Well, what do you think? Shall we take the high road?